Hello learners. Welcome to this step-by-step demonstration on how to schedule your Cyberyami exam. To begin, open your web browser and go to cyberyami.com. This will direct you to the Cyberyami website. Once there, navigate to the homepage, click on Certification, and you'll be presented with a list of certifications. Select one and proceed to its Details page. On the Certification Details page, take a moment to explore the overview, including the skills you will acquire and the benefits of certification. You also have the option to download the syllabus.
To buy, click the Buy Now button.
This will display various purchase options. Exam Access Only. Content plus Exam plus Lab. Content plus Lab. Content plus Practical. If you choose the second option, Content plus Exam plus Lab, click on the Buy Now button, and you'll be directed to the checkout page. Here, enter all your required details and click on the Pay button. After a successful payment, you'll be redirected to a confirmation page, and you'll receive an email with a special voucher code. To redeem your voucher, follow the instructions in the email or use the Cyberyami website. Go to Resources and select Redeem Voucher. Here, enter your voucher code and click Redeem. This will grant you access to the content for your chosen certification. Similarly, to access your exam, follow the email instructions or visit levelup.cyberyami.com, select Certification Test, choose your exam, and view its details. Book your test by selecting a time slot and clicking Book Test. On the payment page, enter your voucher code, click Redeem, confirm the details, and then click Pay Now to finalize your exam booking for the chosen time.